Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. I'm so happy that you guys are here coming along for the ride. As you can see by the title, this is going to be an unboxing of the Daily Grind planner inserts. So this is how it comes, and when you open it, it's a picture of Angie's dog, Carl. He is just so cute, so sweet. Oh my goodness. My girls love that dog. And these are the planner inserts that I ordered. This is the first thing I got. I got the 35-page habit tracking challenge by the Daily Grind. And it's this, and it comes in the nice sew wrap. Back to the packaging. Here's Carl, and then here's the bottom of the box, and then Carl is on the back box. It's very very beautiful packaging. But her planners, they're beautiful. So what should you expect, right? This is the 35-page habit tracking challenge, and this is the beginning of it. And she gives you a step-by-step setup and how to use it, and the sheets that support the challenge, and pretty much like a game plan on what to do, habit ideas to track, and how you can track your month different ways. You can track mood, weather, and it helps you to kind of look at the habits and how different things affect your habits. If you are able to maintain your habits when you're happy, or you kind of fall off because the weather's bad, or if you fall off because you didn't sleep as much, these things will help you to see how your other habits and how your outside stimuli or internal stimuli affect the way you actually maintain your habits throughout the month. And there's that challenge, and this is, the habit tracker, this month, start date, end date, and this one. And you have the habit track by month. You have a weekly routine builder, and you have your morning routine, your afternoon routine, and your evening routine, and your night routine, and the different habits that you want to incorporate into your routine and how they align with the goals that you have set for yourself. And I think that's pretty cool. And you have a bunch of these. The monthly ones coincide with the weekly ones. And then you have a track my full year, and it has like, this was an awesome day, a great day, a good day, a stressful day, and it was a bad day. And then you have the different things that you would track here, and then every month you have a big moment. So this one says I launched a blog, it was our anniversary, they got a puppy, final exam, dream job, different things that happen throughout all the 12 months for the year for you to kind of like track your full year. And she included the start day of that and the end day for that, and it starts on this page. And then you have a start day of this and an end day, and the big moments of gratitude, big accomplishments, self-assessment notes, and then your habit tracking for the full year. And that's pretty awesome, because then it starts all over again. So it's kind of like she set you up to hit the ground running, at least, to start tracking your habits and make a weekly routine that could help you possibly get to the goals that you have set for yourself throughout the year. And I really like this, and I'm trying to build new habits, and I think this would actually help me, and that's the reason why I purchased it. And then here we have the 4-month daily grind sheets. So this is 4 months, okay? So we have 4-month daily grind sheets by the Daily Grind, and we have our welcome, and she gives you, as always, she gives you a little demo of how to utilize the planner and different things that you could possibly use it for, and you create your 4-month vision. And in this vision, you would be talking about where you're at today and where you want to be in 4 months, and how you want to celebrate the goals that you accomplish and what it is that you want to accomplish. You have your habit tracking sheet for your 4-month vision, and here you will be able to track the way that she does it is she uses this page to track how the main goals that she hit that day during that month. And she has blank pages for you to kind of like jot down the goals that you want to hit that month, and you know, you could set it up here and do that as well. You have your important dates, the must-dos this month, and then your ideas and thoughts. You know, she gave you a little brainstorming part, but she gave you one over here. So she allows you a lot of space to do the things that you want to do, draw pictures, doodle, just jot things down. It's not like every page has something on it that you have to fill out a specific way. You could utilize the planner however you would like to utilize it, that you see fit for yourself. Just because she sets out a goal or a thought or a list, she lets you know very clearly that your goals and your list should be specific to you and the things that you want to accomplish throughout your life that make you feel happy. So if it's spending more time with your family and doing more things with your family, that can be a goal, and that's something that is special to you and makes you feel whole and makes you feel happy. And she has your weekend review, your week ahead, then you have your days, and then your weekend review and your week ahead and your blank page and your days. And we go through this for 4 months, and then you have your month in review. You know, your top 3s, I feel amazing, I wills. These are awesome. Your game plans for your days. I think this is going to be an awesome adventure I'm about to set out on. I really love this month in review, how you analyze your 10 goals for this month and whether or not you accomplished it or not. And I love where it says what didn't work, what worked, you know, the proudest moments. It gives you a lot of space for gratitude and being happy with yourself. Even if you didn't achieve the goal that you set out for in the beginning, it allows you a lot of space to be happy and notice the things that you did do well, because people get so set on the negative that they don't give themselves praise and grace. They don't give themselves praise when they do accomplish things, and they don't allow themselves grace to just take a moment and step back and realize that it may not have been done now, but it can be accomplished later. And people always look at things as a loss instead of a lesson. So that's something I want to put out there. Stop looking at things as, you know, when you don't accomplish something, or you for lack of a better word, you fail, as a loss, but look at it as a lesson. You learn something from the situation that you were put in, the life lesson that you've got, you know, and see the things that did not work out in that situation and how you can change them the next time around and better yourself from it. Don't just sit there and mope and feel like you lost out on something. Take it as a learning lesson and move past it, because can't is not a word, and we can do anything that we set our minds to as long as we believe that we can and we have God in our lives. So let's do this. Let's get together and do our 4-month daily grind sheets. We're going to definitely jump into this. I'm going to definitely make a video about this because I have some goals that I want to accomplish and I want to take y'all along with me. We're starting our financial journey. I'm starting to really get into my business the way that I want to get into my business, and take care of my home the way I want to take care of my home. And I want to take y'all along for the ride so that we definitely could do this together. And I love y'all, and thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out some more of my videos, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.